the story of a hurricane and a temper lost like crying tears in the rain. No love is lost, nor sweet wisdom gained, so save your tears and save yourself the shame. Cyclone, you're on your own. Cyclone, you're on your own. Cyclone, you're on your own. As we left the house and took a step on my